Welcome, sixth graders, to the Skimmer Design Notebook. This video is going to go over what you need to complete for task number 1. It is vocabulary definition. So you can see the 6 words here. I'll show it in the design notebook in a moment. But you need to use your own words rather than just copying and pasting from Google to come up with the definition, image, example, and non-example. And the whole purpose for doing this activity is using these vocab words we're building up to making a skimmer, and ultimately we need to know what is aerodynamics. And so that's going to be our question for the day that you have to answer at the top of your design notebook. So if you go to your design notebook, we are in task number 1, and you'll see that question there, the essential question for today. What is aerodynamics? So take time to look that up, give your answer right in here. And remember, for each vocabulary word, don't just copy and paste from Google. You can find a picture that helps you better understand the image. Write 2 to 3 examples for each of the words, and a non-example, which is the opposite or antonym of that word. So going through these real quick, the word assemble, score. Now I want to point this out that if you search score, you're probably going to get talking about the score of a basketball game, something talking about points. We are obviously not doing that for this activity, so I encourage you to type in score paper because that's what you're going to be doing to your paper. And so look for the definition that's talking about that. Average, a math term there. Template, technique, and adjustment. So those are your words for this task to be able to know for the rest of this activity. It'll help you to know what those meanings are. So when you're done, remember to talk about what did you learn and one example that you had of success.